Welcome to another episode of Liberty Creek. On this episode, we're going to be talking beautification of the property. Ever since the first time we walked down the driveway, we were greeted by this little island that was overgrown with weeds, a dead stump, and a crabapple tree. Here's a little better view of the island. As you can see, right in the center of the island there is the 4-foot dead stump that my wife says gives the island character and does not want me to remove it. And to the right of it you can see the crabapple tree. We like the crabapple tree. That also gives a little character. I'm going to make a sign that says leave your crab at the tree. Our plans are to go ahead and outline the entire island with some rocks, weed, go ahead put down some mulch, put a sign that says Liberty Creek right on the dead stump, and plant some flowers. Let's get started. As you can see, I already weeded, tilled, got rid of all the overgrown brush, and now laying down landscaping fabric. The rock has already been laid around the island. I have 16.5 acres. There's a lot of rocks. I found a old Ford F-250 pickup truck hood in the tree line, and I used it as a sled to pull the hood filled with rocks over to the island using my pickup truck. It worked great, and you got a good workout. Here I am with the post hole digger, digging holes for the plants. I think we had about 10 plants that went all the way around. So a lot of holes, a lot of roots, and a lot of rocks. Hanging the sign. Tripod's a little crooked looking. The other day I found about 4 good boards. I think the sign will look good. About this, it's right over here, the size of it. I laid out the design. Here it is. I don't know if you could tell, but I found this font on the internet. I like how it looks, and I basically used some what they call this carbon paper, and I traced it on here. You know, I made sure it's centered, everything like that. Traced it on, and then I started the really hard part of burning it on. There's techniques, there's different tips. I've been burning stuff for at least 2 or 3 years, and it always takes a while, and it's a pain. Putting the Liberty Creek sign on that dead tree stump was a complete failure, so I just staked it into the ground for now. Then I thought about making a directional sign. I always thought directional signs were pretty cool. This is a picture of me back in 2003 standing next to one. When I got home from this trip, I went into the shop and started to work on the project. Look at that. It's off a little. That's close enough. What you see me doing here is burning on the mileage, how far the location is from my property. I googled it on Google Maps as a crow flies. I have 3 of these burning wands, which helps the process go a little bit faster. Post. Pressure treat. They soak this thing in formaldehyde or whatever the hell they do. Damn thing's so damn heavy. Oh, my elbow. Pretty good, huh?
Yeah. I'll hold it if you want to look at it.
Well, that's the end of the episode. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching. See you next time.